Hello, please read the verse and I will share my perspective with you shortly. If a person seeks knowledge and wisdom, it can be beneficial, but this kind of benefit is short-lived. Learning the Tao, on the other hand, is different because it involves reducing acquired knowledge, eliminating desires, and eradicating delusional thoughts. This is why it's referred to as daily decrease for the sake of the Tao. In addition to shedding acquired knowledge, desires, and delusional thoughts, one must also discard human conventions, worldly matters, and the allure of fame and wealth. After completely forgetting the distinction between self and others and purifying personal desires, one attains the state of non-action. In this state, everything becomes achievable. However, this concept of non-action is profound, where action lies within stillness and stillness within action. It is the emptiness within substance and substance within emptiness. For example, the heavens follow the principle of non-action, yet the four seasons come and go. The earth abides by non-action, yet all living things thrive. Human beings, when in harmony with heaven and earth, are a trinity. When they attain non-action and realize their true nature, the creative power of all things exists within their body and mind. This is the wonder of non-action for individuals. To gain the world, those who seek to possess it through self-centered desires or rely solely on their own abilities will not succeed. A person who truly understands the great way seeks to gain the world through morality and benevolence. Ancient saints like Yao, Shun, and Yu serve as exemplary models. They not only gained the world, but also won the hearts of the people. This is genuine world conquest. In contrast, figures like Qin Shi Huang, who sought to conquer the world through selfish desires, were despised, and their actions angered both people and the divine. Such methods of world conquest are not to be emulated. Thank you. If you find this useful, please like and subscribe.